In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily set any song as a ringtone on an Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. We can easily do so by tapping Add Settings icon on our home screen, or if you cannot find that icon, you can just swipe down on any of your home screens, and then to go to Settings, tap Add that gear. On Settings, we are looking for Sounds and Vibration. Here near the top you'll find Ringtone. That's where we can choose from different ringtones. Here I can just select any of them and it will be immediately set as a current ringtone. Also, we can select some of these ringtones. However, if you would like to set a custom song as a ringtone, then first off you need to have this song downloaded as a file on your device's internal storage, and once it is done, just tap right here at plus, and now we just need to search for it. To do that, I recommend you to go to folders. I know that my song stored at downloads folder, so I'm just gonna enter downloads folder, and then we can choose this mp3 song. And then basically we just need to hit add done to set this song as a ringtone for our Android smartphone. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.